Tired and hairless.
What's going on down here?
It's an angry baby with hiccups. More like sad baby with hiccups.
Beating up your skull.
I was trying to stop. Ah, there it goes again.
You still going?
Mm-hmm. He moved his head a little bit. I think he stopped.
Sure, as soon as I get the camera out. Well, I guess that's it for now.
Yeah, he stopped hiccuping and he's going back to sleep.
He did it forever, and then as soon as I bring the camera out for everybody to look at, bam, he quits.
Mm-hmm.
Say night-night, Jacob.